Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a really fun collaboration video with by Terry around their Nude-Expert Duo Stick Foundation. This is their new foundation. As you guys know, I'm loved by Terry, so it was a no-brainer to do something with this. I'm using 3 colors, but you could easily just use one. I just wanted to show you how versatile the product is. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So first of all, I'm gonna start with the foundation color that matches the whole of my face, which is number 7 Vanilla Beige. And I'm using both sides of the stick to get some good coverage with a nice glow effect in it, because I'm using both the shimmery side and the foundation side. Now I'm going to follow on with the slightly more tanned color. This is number 15 Golden Brown. I'm just using the matte side of the stick, and I'm using it like a cream bronzer basically, or contour, and I'm just putting it down the side of my cheeks, under the edge of my jaw, on my nose a little bit, and kind of above my brow bone, because that's just kind of nice places to add a little bit of contour and color in. Just blending it all out with my same foundation brush. Now I'm picking up the paler shade of foundation that I use, which is number 3, Cream Beige. And again, I'm just using the matte side of this, and I'm basically just using it like a stick concealer. It's super easy to use either from the stick using the nice sponge tip on the end, which works basically like a beauty blender to sponge the foundation in like a concealer. But you could use your finger as well if you want a little bit extra coverage. Now I'm going to use my favorite eyeshadow product from by Terry, which is their Ombre Black Star. These are like little eyeshadow crayons, and I'm going to use them in 3 colors. First of all, across my whole lid, I'm using the Blond Opal color, which is number 3. This color is just great for a general shimmer. You could wear this every single day on its own. It's really pretty. To add a little bit of contour into my lid, I wanted a kind of more reddish tone to match the bronzer. So I'm using number 4 Bronze Moon, and I'm just blending that out with a brush. Finally, I'm going to use the darkest shade, which is Black Pearl, number 1. This one's really great just to add contour around the lash line and add a bit of dimension and shade. Again, I'm just blending it out with a little brush, but you could use your finger if you didn't have nails as long as mine. Finally, to finish, I'm going to use the Balm de Rose in Cherry Bomb number 3. This product is amazing because you can use it both on your lips and your cheeks. First of all, I'm pressing it onto the apple of my cheeks, and it's going to add a really lovely skin texture and a little bit of pink color to them, so that you get a nice kind of flushed glow, but it's not shiny. It's just got a nice kind of gloss to it, very subtle gloss. And then obviously just generously all across the lips. So that's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's so easy. You don't even need all 3 colors, to be honest, of either of the products that I used. You could easily use 2 or even 1 for a more fast and minimal look. But I had the option, so I wanted to use a few more. But let me know how you get on in the comments below. I will link to all the products in the description box below. Check in with me again soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.